If prices for oil stop shooting through the sky and tickets remain halfway affordable, I'm planning a trip to Europe this year. And in anticipation of this trip, I'm looking for the perfect travel tripod. Here, this is the Freewell carbon fiber tripod. On their website, they boldly call it the real travel tripod. Let's see if there's any substance behind this claim. Hi friends, Dirk here. Thanks so much for tuning in. And as you know, the smaller the better.
What?
I'm still talking about travel tripods. And this one is truly small. We're talking about 44 centimeter, about 17 inch when it's folded together. So this is really a good size for traveling. And because of this really intelligently shaped center column, I mean, look at the form. You can bring the legs completely together and you can hold it like this. It has a diameter of only 6.5 centimeter, 2.55 inch. That's great. When we're comparing this to the Manfrotto B3 carbon fiber travel tripod, then this is so much better. And not only in size, also in weight. Although Manfrotto calls it B3, the Manfrotto is almost 300 gram heavier than this one. This weighs only 860 gram, 2.11 pound. So it is smaller, better to hold and handle, and much lighter. It's also good looking, by the way. Before we tested how it handles in the real world, let's take a look at features and functions. So the legs, they operate with a twist lock, and you can pull them out all together in once, and at any certain time you can just twist them back in place and it holds. So that's fast and convenient. I like this a lot. We have 3 legs, and here with this clip you can change and bring the legs up in different positions. You can bring them up as far as you like. So it's really very flexible. This little thing is an AirTag compartment. So if you like AirTag, you can install it right here. The reason why I have it screwed on is to get a little place for this tool, which we need in order to affix the mountain plate to the camera. And this is pretty much my only criticism so far, that there is no little handle underneath on the screw. So this tool is really required. And that's why we need to install the AirTag compartment so that we can place this tool and it's always with us. It is secured with a few little magnets here. Fully extended, it is 150 centimeter plus the head. And now you know that I'm not a very tall person. The load capacity is pretty impressive. The tripod can hold up to 8 kilograms, 17.6 pound. The head is good for 5 kilogram up to 11 pound, which is pretty impressive and still almost twice the load that my normal camera with lens brings to the table. Including in the mountain plate is a little phone clamp. And what really surprised me was that although it was a bit stiff at the beginning, but once I got to move it, it was able to hold my iPhone 70 Pro Max, including case. The head is mind-blowing. We have on top here a little bubble so we can see if this is all level. And when we're losing this little handle, it acts like a fluid head and you can make very smooth pans. Losing this handle here allows you to completely rotate everything on top because it sits on a ball head. So you can level it and bring it in any position you like. And once you have it, you just close it. From here, you could loosen this grip, and now you can go up and down. And once you have the perfect position, with a little twist, you can lock it in place. This has a double function. We can open and close it in order to affix the mountain plate, but this little red knob, if we turn this, then we can change the orientation. So this gives you also the ability to film horizontal if you want that. Altogether, this is a multifunctional head. It's not just a ball head, it's not just a fluid head. This is all together in once. And it's well constructed and it looks very sturdy. So there are 2 more things that I personally won't be using. On this leg where you see lock and unlock, that has the Freewell logo on it, you can twist and simply unscrew it and use it as a monopod. I never use monopods, I don't need that, but If you want one, here it is. Underneath the center column, we have this little hook where you could attach a weight to make this a little bit heavier. If you unscrew this little hook, you could loosen this and take out the entire center column and put it back in to film upside down or to bring your camera much closer to the ground. It's not my personal style. I will never use this way, but it definitely gives you all options to be completely creative. This tripod currently retails for $300 on Amazon, but you can get it on the Freewell website for $250. To summarize my review, the Freewell carbon fiber is the real travel tripod for sure. It is sturdy, lightweight, small, compact, travel-friendly, and the functionalities that this head offers are just beyond anything a creator can ask for. The only thing that I don't like is the AirTag compartment and the need for this tool. I wish we would have a little handle here underneath the mountain plate for the camera so we could screw it on by hand and we wouldn't need that tool because this is a little bit in the way and defeats the purpose of being flexible and travel friendly. But this is my only little criticism and it's not as bad as it may sound right now. This is a wonderful travel tripod and I can truly recommend it. Thanks so much for watching this. Till the next time, stay safe, stay tuned and take care. Bye for now.